Good morning. We stayed in Apalachicola last night. Did I do that right?
Apalachicola. I like saying that.
This is where we stayed. Right here, right on the water. Beautiful. Such a quiet night. This was on the iOverlander app. Multiple people have spent the night here. There's no signs that say no overnight parking or camping. So
No guarantees, but we did it.
we did it for just
well.
one night. Yeah. Beautiful spot though.
It is brisk.
It is. The sun was deceiving. I thought it was going to be warm out here. Yeah, so we're on the Gulf now and we are headed west. Yeah, we're just going to cruise up the coast and
Yeah, we're gonna
see what we see.
We're gonna stay on the coastline here all the way to Panama City Beach today, and we haven't seen it, but we've heard about the destruction at like Mexico Beach.
We've started to see a little bit coming in this way.
Yeah. A lot of damage along the coastline here, so we'll try to get some of that on film today. So
Yeah.
pretty sad.
Yeah. I just hope, they can rebuild and...
I think we drove the
That's
same
fine.
coastline last year.
Did we?
Yeah, I think on the way to Florida.
Be interesting to compare.
Well, already it's different.
Yeah.
It's dramatically different.
Yeah.
It's a lot more open, a lot less trees.
Yeah. Pistol, you ready to go?
I don't want to get up yet.
We are now in Panama City Beach. We're getting ready to go to our friend Mike's, but we stopped along the beach. We're gonna go for a walk here on the beach. Beach. I said beach a lot, didn't I?
You said beach and then through the beach.
One thing about all the devastation that we drove through, something that was encouraging is there's a lot of activity. I mean, the tons of cleanup. There's dump trucks going every which way. There's a lot of supplies that are there. Everywhere you look, there's people working to try and get it back.
I can't even imagine what it must have looked like a few months ago, because it still is like just piles of stuff.
Yeah.
There was a pharmacy that had, drive-up pharmacy had signs saying, tetanus shots given here. So you can imagine how many nails are just in the cleanup areas.
Yeah, so it is encouraging to see people, but it's hard. Their houses and jobs have blown away.
Yeah, that was it. The Tyndall Air Force Base, just north of there,
Yeah.
by Panama City. That was a mess too.
Oh yeah, that looked terrible.
Basically, from I don't know what, 10 miles south of Mexico Beach, maybe you started really noticing
Yeah.
it, and Mexico Beach was just destroyed.
Gone.
And then miles and miles of just trees that were just snapped in half, or just went for miles, and then all the way up through
into Panama City.
Even Panama City had a lot of damage, and just
there's still some damage here in Panama City Beach. So, and then it kind of trickles out as you go
But
north.
that Mexico Beach area was, well, you saw in the video.
Yeah.
I don't even know if the video and pictures would even show it.
I don't know. It was just devastating. So our heart goes out to those people that are affected for sure.
Yeah, it's one of those things that's a big deal on the news for, you know, days or a week or so. And then, but it's, everyone else kind of forgets about it. But I mean, it's 3 or 4 months later and it's still a daily event going on down here.
Right.
So.
Crazy.
Anyway.
This girl's ready for the beach.
Do you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Do you understand English?
Are you a good girl? Yeah. You're the best. Okay, let's go walk. Come on. Back at Joe Patty's in Pensacola.
Joe
Patty's. I don't know why we made that song up.
Diffie.
Oh yeah, that's it. We driveway surfed last night at our friend Mike's in Panama City Beach, and now we're headed to Alabama to our friend Letty and Chuck's, and we're gonna driveway surf at their place too. So we're just gonna hopscotch our way across the country driveway surfing, it seems like.
Yeah, gonna get some good fresh fish for tomorrow night. I think we're going out to dinner tonight with them.
Yeah.
And might have to get a homemade basket of 6 beignets for $5.
Yes. I'm looking forward to getting somewhere warm with a picnic table. So you could do your spoon work.
And you can work on some more dangly earrings.
Yes, I've been making earrings. I made these bad boys. And then I made a few others I can show you. I don't know, I've just been experimenting. No, you can't have these. Let's see, I made these guys. I think the flowers are my favorites. I really like the flowers. And then I also made these. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these, but I've got a lot of earrings going on right now.
Anyway, we're rambling.
It's beignet time. We're rambling. We're hungry. We will catch you in Alabama.
Sweet home, Alabama.
Home sweet home. I think that is their motto. Is it? I might have made that up. I'm gonna have to look. All right. See you later.
Carry on.
Carry on. Shake hands. Shake. Good girl. Oh,